Heyo, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking Spanish rice, but this right here is the remix. Why is it the remix? Well, I didn't have all of the exact ingredients, so I sort of improvised in some of these areas. But I will have my referenced recipes linked down below, so let's make some Spanish rice. But don't forget, this is the remix. Boosh!
Here is the list of ingredients. The achiote was a new one for me on this recipe, so if you don't have this, then salt and cumin are plenty to get you going. First, we'll add some oil to a medium-high preheated pan and add our diced onions. After sweating these onions, we'll add the garlic and let those aromas open up before finally adding our rice. Since the goal is to toast the rice, I'll kick the temperature to medium to make sure we don't burn our rice. Constant movement will also help prevent burning. When the rice starts to turn golden brown after a few minutes, we'll add our chicken stock and tomato sauce, along with our spices and serranos. Then add the lid and bring it up to a quick boil before kicking it down to low. After about 10 minutes, we are already looking great, so I'll give it a gentle stir before letting it simmer for another few minutes and then turning off the heat. At last, our rice is set and ready to eat.
Awesome. And there you have it, Spanish rice. Not that challenging, and it's really good to have at the table. So despite not having everything I needed for the Spanish rice, I was able to kind of improvise and still make it happen, and still tastes pretty dang good. I will admit this is the first time I used the achiote. I'd used that for another recipe some other time, and it does add a different kind of element to the rice. But really, I feel like you can't go wrong even if you just got salt and cumin in the cabinet. So if you're exploring new recipes and you don't have all the ingredients, get a little creative. See what you can mix and match and sort of still make the dish work. I feel like when you've got some of those basic flavors, there's like some onions, some garlic, then you're already off to a great start. So if you've been a little intimidated to try some Spanish rice, go ahead and give it a shot. Check out the recipes linked below and see what works for you. Experiment, and more importantly, have fun. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.